Samsung Electronics today unveiled Galaxy Z Flip 7, a compact AI phone with multimodal capabilities, powered by a new flex window. The full-size cover display is the biggest upgrade on the Galaxy Z Flip 7, obviously. The 4.1-inch One Super AMOLED flex window is the largest ever on a Galaxy Z Flip, with edge-to-edge usability that enables users to see and do more on the cover screen. Galaxy Z Flip 7 has a bigger, wider 6.9-inch display which feels more like a normal phone in regular usage. With 2600 nits of peak brightness and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate on both the main display and the flex window. The phone is powered by the new 3nm Exynos 2500. The chip is paired with 12GB of RAM and 256/512GB storage. The cameras on the flip side are a 50MP main and a 12MP ultrawide. Inside, a 4300 mAh battery, the largest ever in the Galaxy Z Flip series. Galaxy Z Flip 7 price is $1,099. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.